Hello friends, in this video we'll see how we gonna extract the polylines from our corridor for construction. Okay, so this may be a bit difficult. Either you have to maybe export the civil 3D to AutoCAD and then send it to your surveyor or something like that. But there's a tool in the same UK tool, UK toolkit. You have an option to export that. So how we're gonna do this is you go to the toolbox and in additional tools for the UK toolkit, UK and Ireland toolkit, you have a construction export for construction option. Okay, so we just click on it, select it, and right click and say execute. Okay, so before this, you have to know it will ask you for the feature, the codes that you want to export. Okay, that is creating feature line. Okay, that you're gonna extract. So for that, you need to know which are the feature lines that you want. So before that, you have to check your assembly. Okay, so here we have our assembly. So this one, I just want to extract these 2 points and the crown. So how are we gonna do that? Let's see. We already know now EC sub and EC sub and EC crown sub. This one is crown sub. Okay, this is the point code. So once we know the point code, we go to the tool space and then say export for construction and say execute. And then we select our first was crown sub, so we select it. This one was not ET sub, it was EC sub. Okay, but unfortunately, I'm not able to find it. And also, I see on the drawing there's some problem. Okay, so let's close this first and let's see what the problem is. So maybe this one here, we have to rebuild it. Maybe let's say rebuild corridor and hope this fixes the problem. Okay, yeah, now it's available. Let's see. It will rebuild. Okay, we go again to the core export for construction, right click and execute. And then here we have here we will have option to choose from sub and from sub EC. And we have already grabbed the link. We just grab the link and then put it where we want to save it. Okay, and then you just backward slash and then type a name. Maybe I would put z.pwg as a name and I will set it to open the drawing and join the polygons and then I say export feature lines. Okay, and now it will open. Okay, it's open and you see here this has been properly lighted as we have a bus levy here. So okay, this is quite good. So similarly, you can extract other feature lines also. Once you know the code, you just select those codes and extract them. And this is pretty much very easy, and it will be a neat drawing, and it is very easy for the surveyors to set out on site. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked the video and like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.